Right, family and friends, you know what it's like, the 31st staging of Reggae Sumfest, and nothing best than what's happening right now. I'm here with the Queen Diva herself, Queen Miss Kitty Hilton. Hi. And correct me if I'm wrong, so good to see you. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful. Thank you so very much. You got it correct, so thank you so much. It's absolutely amazing to be out. I think it's the first time, my first festival since becoming a mommy. So this is historic as well. So mommy and daddy are out and we're feeling really great to be here.
Mommy and daddy is out. Where is baby? Who is it baby right now?
He's out in the audience.
All right, yes. Roaming.
Chant upon him.
Nice.
Own autonomy and me have mine.
I love that.
You know what time it is. Yeah, wife or wife. Me and
yeah, top about.
Personal details, conditions apply.
Honey, you're looking dazzling, you're shimmering. I love it very much. Talk to me about the style, who put you together, who chose the outfit?
Well, my stylist chose the outfit. I am simply her muse. So she brought some pieces to me and I gravitated toward this one. Full coverage and of course, you know, black. So it's giving, ethereal, it's giving wonderful and solid. And I popped it with some silver. So I'm just here to have fun. And most of all, or most importantly, thank you, it's comfortable. So this is an ode to my daughter. She pink. So I'm doing the pink and the black and so just giving it a little bit of mommy touch, but most importantly, as I said, very comfy, my nice shiny shoes, and yeah, cause star for come out nice and bright and blingy.
Definitely, so and talk about star and blinging and them something. Me see you talk about the nails and you say thanks. The ring or something, babes. The ring or something, babes. Sure, the ring them for the wife, them. Oh yeah, talk about.
Thanks to my wonderful husband. I had nothing to do with it at all. But again, I'm very grateful and very happy. And it just feels good to be out, good to be happy, good to be healthy and alive. And, you just have to just take it as it comes, right? Oftentimes we take simple things for granted, just like being gathered here at Catherine Hall, having the freedom to enjoy music. There are many places and many people who don't have these luxuries. And so we have to really pay attention and be grateful and know, say, I know something, I know not normal this. And we have to enjoy it and just be very thankful.
I don't know if I look eye to my pan, but you're petite, I'm taller than Miss Kitty. Yes, I didn't realize that.
Sure, because I wear a lot of high heels, and most times you see me, I'm elevated because I'm on the stage. So that will give the illusion that I'm tall, but I'm actually pretty short. But I'm okay with it.
Miss you on the stage though, but it's good to see you in what you're doing. Keep being outspoken, keep being the way you are. You inspire many. Some people, some people can't really manage, but we don't really worry about who can manage. We work with it, right?
At the end of the day, Jesus walked the earth as sinless man, healed the sick, raised the dead, turned water into wine, and they still crucified him. You will never be right for the wrong person. But when you have your tribe, when you have your people, they will stand with you and stand for you. And when you know that you're standing up for what is right, if the dunce people might talk loud, intelligent and bright people have to talk louder. The only way that we're going to get rid of darkness is to shine the light. So guess what? Some people, maybe you might ruffle them feathers, but that is all right. We're there for ruffle feather and definitely talk out the demon them, you understand? Because it cannot be that everybody is okay with just, praising scamming, praising prostitution, praise drug dealing, praise criminality. And then at the end of the day, when you talk something righteous and uplifting, somebody's going to have an issue. Well, tough luck. I have a daughter and I want to lead a life that is worthy of emulation. And I want to also inspire other women who can inspire my daughter when she's growing, that she can say, oh, and everybody have to sell them body and them something there. And I mean, to each his own, but I'm saying that we have to present also an alternative. So if it is that you're going to promote certain things, you have to promote certain things, you understand? So you just have to be fearless about it. I am one who is about being impactful. I'm about being purposeful, and I'm a woman on purpose and for purpose. So to who God bless, no man curse, it is what it is. But now I'm going to be everybody cup of tea because I'm champagne.
Keep illuminating. You have the words, you have the lyrics, you have the look, and you name what you name. Thank you very much.